Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny. This is Afro-Pinionated, and in today's video, y'all, we finna have a little battle. So I have the Forbella Natural Chebe and Cocoa Reconstructive Hair Mask, and then I also have the Yucca Root Intensive Repair Treatment Mask. There is that one. And y'all, both of these sound so good that I couldn't make up my mind on which one I wanted to use. So this one, it says on here, it has avocado butter, Jamaican black castor oil, and burdock oil. And then the Chebe and cocoa one, it says it has black seed oil and rice milk. Y'all, I've been wanting to try from this brand ever since I've seen Essence of Coils review it. You know, all the deep conditioners sound phenomenal. They sound phenomenal, girl. So I'm really excited to try and see what's good. So, oh no, this Chebe, nice and thick. She isn't moving. So yeah, this one smells like a Tootsie Roll, and it low-key, I want a Tootsie Roll. I've had a Tootsie Roll in a minute. On my right side, I'm going to put the Chebe and Cocoa Reconstructive Hair Mask, and then on the left side, I'm going to put this Yucca Root one. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of oil and massage my scalp, and I'm going to throw back on my handy dandy gloves, which I done already used to do my pre-poo. I'm going to have to put on gloves though. Like, my nails, like, girl, when I tell you I was filing. I actually cut myself with my own nail. Them lines are sharp, honey. Let me just slather that on here. Ooh. 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 Let's see. I doubt that it will have any slit, but wow, that kind of works in pretty quickly. Okay, so let's talk a little bit more about this Chebe and Cocoa mask. It says Chebe and Cocoa Reconstructive Hair Mask is formulated with tons of tender loving care and herbal infused water to help repair and strengthen those dry, damaged curls by penetrating the hair shaft to deliver a power punch, packed with vital nutrients, antioxidants, and vitamins that will leave you with lustrous, soft, shiny, strong, manageable, and more importantly, healthy hair. Great for all hair types. The directions on here just say to apply it to sectioned hair and to cover the hair with a plastic cap and sit under a hooded dryer for 30 minutes. Some of the ingredients on here are water infused with brahmi, nettle, rosemary, Chebe powder, slippery M, BTMS, cetearyl alcohol, rice milk, aloe vera juice, dark cocoa butter, and the list goes on. One thing I do want to point out about this deep conditioner is that the smell is very, very potent. My hair was smelling like a Tootsie Roll for about 3 days. Like, literally until like Tuesday, Wednesday, my room was smelling like a Tootsie Roll. My hair was smelling like that cocoa, like this mask. It was kind of, you know, it kind of threw me for a loop. I didn't think it was gonna last that long, but even after styling my hair, even after a few days, like, it was still very potent throughout my room. So if you do not like that scent, or if you don't like it when products are overly scented like that, then you definitely might want to steer clear of this one. And y'all, this mask is super messy. I've never had a mask this messy before, but hopefully it's all worth it. Okay, so let's get into this Yucca Root Intensive Repair Mask. Just off rip, this one is very reminiscent of the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Restorative Mask. I think that's what it's called. But, you know, they look alike in color. They have a similar texture. They smell alike. But, you know, I'll go ahead and tell you, girl, this one is a lot better than that one. It does say on here, treat your hair with this exclusive blend of avocado butter to nourish your hair, while silk proteins add strength and elasticity. Our special blend of herbs, natural oils, essential oils, and vitamins help to decrease breakage and shedding, add hydration, balance and promote natural luster, body shine, and growth to the hair strands from roots to ends. Then it just says that it detangles, repairs, restores, moisturizes, and of course it's silicone, paraben, hair drying alcohol free. The directions say to apply to wet hair and to cover your hair with a hooded dryer or steamer for 30 to 45 minutes. They also state on here to use it every 2 to 4 weeks, so it's not recommended that you use it on a weekly basis. Some of the ingredients are distilled water infused with organic black tea, marshmallow, and slippery elm bark. There's Jamaican black castor oil, BTMS. There's some burdock root oil, olive oil, glycerin. There's avocado butter, aloe vera leaf juice, and the list does go on. With both of these deep conditioners, they don't really have any slip, but it's not hard to work them through your hair. So yeah, keep on watching for my final thought. Okay, y'all, so I just took a shower and rinsed out both of these, and this is the Chebe side. This is the yucca root side. So both sides are still wet, but I think we have a verdict. I think so, but I really do enjoy both of them just for different reasons. So my fault if I sound nasally. My allergies are once again attacking me. Okay, so let's start off with the Chebe and Cocoa side. So I really like this deep conditioner. I think this one is definitely more strengthening than the yucca root one. I feel like with this one, my hair definitely feels more elastic, or it feels like it has more elasticity. But yeah, I definitely feel more elasticity with the Chebe and Cocoa one. Just when I was rinsing this one out, I did notice that this side had more tangles still. Like, it was soft, but you could definitely feel the strengthening effects to it. I would say that this one is more balanced in terms of you feeling, you're probably gonna feel, well, I felt more, well, it's balanced, but I could definitely feel the strengthening component to this deep conditioner. This one, you know, obviously it's brown, so it's not gonna be it's not gonna rinse clear, but I was glad to see that it didn't like stain the shower or anything, so I didn't have to, like, you feel me, scrub it up dub. Neither one of them really have like a whole bunch of slip. I'm sorry, y'all, I am church lady finger, because hold on, allergy pill, I need you to kick on in, I need you to kick in. So yeah, anyway, I put my hot head on for 35 minutes, and then after that I just took a shower. So I had it on for probably in total about 45 minutes. But I would say that this one does penetrate into the hair very well. I feel like when I was first applying it, it penetrated well, and by the time I took my hot head off, I noticed that a lot of the product did also absorb then too, or not a lot, but a good amount, more than you would think, just because of the coloring of the product. So, you know, it is pretty easy to tell. These products are whipped and formulated very, very well. It's not grainy at all. It's not hard to rinse out. It's not like, you know, gritty. It's just very smooth. Like, you wouldn't even know that there's like all this powder in here. And this one does have dark cocoa butter. I have never seen that before, so that's, you know, it's got some good, you feel me, some sacha inchi extract, some mustard seed oil, black seed oil, you know, and these are not the last ingredients. They're really towards yucca root one, the yucca root intensive repair treatment mask. This one is really, really good. Oh, I also wanted to mention just about this Shea one. This one does have a stronger scent than the yucca root one. So if you don't really like strong scents in your products, because this does smell like a Tootsie Roll, the cocoa powder is very strong. This one is really good. I feel like this gave my hair like a silkening effect. When I was rinsing it out, my hair felt silky, which is weird for me, honey. But yeah, my hair felt like really silky. It does say that it's a repair treatment mask, but you know, the way that it's repairing your hair, it's not through like a strengthening type of feel, but it made my hair feel like so smooth and silky. This was really good as well. This one does have keratin amino acids, some silk proteins in it, so I think that's what kind of gave me that silkening effect. It is infused with organic black tea, which I think is also a great ingredient. This one really reminds me of the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Restore and Strengthen Mask. The textures are also pretty similar. The coloring is similar, like they're very similar in that regard, but this one definitely makes my hair feel a lot more silky than that other one does. So this one is really good. Even though it says repair, from this experience I would consider it to be more of like a hydrating, moisturizing type of mask. It was really good. So even though I liked both of them for different reasons, I will say I will go ahead and declare, you know, this one, the Yucca root, as the winner. That one does take the cake. This one just really stood out to me because of that silkening type of effect that it had, and you know, it just made my hair feel really good. And even now, like, it still feels really good. I'm honestly like really excited to try the other deep conditioner as well as the hair milk that I have from them. And you know, when Black Friday rolls around, you feel me, I feel like, you know, I'm gonna go ham, okay? Because these products are really good. If you've ever tried anything from this brand, definitely let me know down below. If you've tried either of these two, please let me know down below, because like I always say, y'all know I'm curious about how things work in other people's hair. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys have a blessed, awesome, amazing, prosperous week filled with peace, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.